Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take a Ford Fiesta key apart. You'll need just a few simple tools, primarily a small flat blade screwdriver, and if you're replacing it, a new CR2032 battery. It's a straightforward process, but taking your time will ensure you don't damage any delicate components. We'll go through each step, from separating the key's two main sections to accessing the internal battery, making it easy for you to follow along. First, let's separate the key blade from the remote control section. Flip out the metal key blade. Look for a small hole or two small tabs where the blade retracts. Insert your small flat blade screwdriver into this hole or press the tabs. Apply gentle pressure or a slight twist and you'll feel the two parts release. Now, carefully pull them completely apart and set the blade section aside for a moment. With the key blade detached, focus on the remote control half. You'll notice a thin seam running around its perimeter. Take your small flat blade screwdriver and carefully insert it into this seam, perhaps near the keyring end. Gently twist the screwdriver to create a small gap. Work your way around the remote, twisting the screwdriver at several points until the two halves of the casing fully separate, revealing the internal components and the battery. Now that the remote is open, you'll see the round CR2032 battery. Use your screwdriver to gently pry it out from its holder. Take your new battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces downwards into the casing. Once the new battery is in place, align the two halves of the remote casing and press them firmly together until they snap shut. Finally, slide the key blade section back onto the remote until you hear a secure click, and your key is reassembled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.